Hello everyone, this is Ajith. Today I am going to explain compiler experiment number 5 single pass assembler for SHC. The question is to stimulate the concept of single pass assembler for simplified instruction computer. Let's see the code for this. See, this is the code. First we have to give the header files, and these are the declarations, and we have to create a scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in, and we have to create two strings input comp template. These are all the ints, numbers, nodes, number of states, number of final states, current, flag, etc. And we have to give some char string and int. And for declaration of definite automate data, we have to create number of states, number of final states, number of trap states, and number of symbols in alphabet. And we have to enter these number of states. Syntax is equal to number of states is equal to s dot next int. Like that we have to give for the final state, trap state, and number of symbols in alphabet. And for creating state, int state is equal to new int numbers comma int. For creating final, traps is equal to new int number of final state, trap states. Like that we have to create for the number of symbols in alphabet. And for entering a state integers, we have to use the for loop, and we have to use state I is equal to s dot next int. And for creating the final state, trap states, and the alphabet for the definite finite automata, we have to use the for loop. And after that we have to give first state system.out println is it will stored in the state of I. Here we have to use for loop. After that we have to transition I j is equal to s dot next int, and the transition table which you enter, it will be stored into the state dot state slash t, and it will run the 0 to number of states which you give in the number of states. And for alphabets we have to use the for loop and system.out print state I is plus t. And for after that we have to give the string in alphabets. We have to give input is equal to s dot next, j is equal to 0. It will run the 0 to input dot len, and we have to create temp is equal to input dot character I. And we have to give for loop for int p is equal to 0, p less the number of alphabets which you enter. And if template is equal to alphabet of p, it will be print j is equal to transition j p. And after the entering the after give the string, it will show the string is accepted, else is not accepted. Let's see the output. See, here asking enter the number of states. I give 2 states. Enter the number of final states 2. Enter the number of trap states 2. Enter the number of symbols in alphabets 1. Enter the states integers. Enter the final state 3. Enter the trap 5. 6. Enter the alphabet for the DFA 5. See, here the enter the transition for the given states is for state 2. Thank you for watching.